Okay, hi people. Today we look at how to we solve trigo equation. Take note, this solving of trigo equation is very much different from your solving of ASTs, solving of your Tuakaso. So please be mindful. So first thing, let's take a look at this question. Sine x equals to 0.5. Most of you will just key in calculator, inverse sine 0.5. That is wrong. Why? Okay, it's over here. We are told that we are asked to find the value of x, which is the angle that hyper is rotated, for the range of 0 to 360. So when it comes to trigo equation solving, this range is very important, which means that, okay, this is the angle that hypo will rotate. Okay, so which means that this hypo of a right angle triangle will rotate one full round 360 degree. So first step, you have to determine sine x equals to 0.5. You have to determine whether, okay, using ASTC, this sine x equals to positive 0.5 is in which quadrant. So ASTC, okay, our sine positive is in first quadrant and second quadrant. So please write this down to help yourself, first and second quadrant, which means that in this question we will have two answers. Then after that we have to find the basic angle. Basic angle of what? Basic angle of x, which is alpha. Okay, so this one will be just sine inverse 0.5. Okay, we don't need to key in calculator to find this basic angle value. We can just keep it as alpha. Why? Because most of the time it will be answer that's not exact. Then from here, since we know it's first and second quadrant, so my x equals to alpha. Why? Let's take a look at here. So first quadrant is here, 0 degree. This will be our alpha, our x, and happen that the x is equals to alpha also. So x equal alpha. Then my second quadrant is 180 minus alpha, which is over here. Second quadrant, this is where x is, this is where the alpha is. So alpha, okay, so that's why it's 180 minus alpha, because it's 180. So here, okay, will be 30 degrees. Then 180 minus 30 will be 150. Okay, so that's how we solve trigo equation. Let's take a look at one more. So for example, this solve cosine 2 theta equals to negative 0.5 in this range. So you can see here is 0 to 2 pi, which means that we are supposed to use radian. So we want to change the calculator to radian mode first. So over here, same thing. Let's copy question. Cosine 2 theta equals to negative 0.5. So based on our ASTC, cosine negative is in second and third quadrant. So please write second and third quadrant. Then from here, same thing, we find basic angle. So now it's basic angle of 2 theta, because this is where, or the angle that hypo is rotated. So with this, still alpha. So cosine inverse 0.5. So this is pi over 3. So take note, how come I write pi over 3, or how come I don't write decimal, is because last chapter we learned about the three special angle, 30, 45, and 60. So we are making use of that, because I don't like, we try our best not to work with decimal. So with this, now comes the crucial thing, okay, which is this angle that hypo is rotated. This is 2 theta, but the range given to us is always theta. So we have to change this range, because like I mentioned just now, this is the range to guide us how many answers we are supposed to provide. So from theta to 2 theta, we times 2. So my 2 pi must also times 2, so become 4 pi. So this is the range we have to work with. So please be mindful. Then from here, so 2 theta will be equals to, okay, second quadrant, so will be pi minus alpha. So for this, second quadrant is here. This is our 2 theta. Here is our alpha. So that's why it's pi minus alpha. Then my third quadrant, which is here, third quadrant, this is my 2 theta. Here's my alpha. Here's my right angle triangle. So this one will be pi plus alpha. Then first round already done. Second round is just add another 360 because it's second round, second quadrant, and second round, third quadrant. So we take this answer plus 2 pi. So it'll be 3 pi minus alpha. Then second round, third quadrant, we are using this to plus another 2 pi, which is 360. So it will be 3 pi plus alpha. So with all this, okay, I'll have pi minus pi over 3, pi plus pi over 3, 3 pi minus pi over 3, 3 pi plus pi over 3. So here I'll have 2 third pi, 4 over 3 pi, 8 over 3 pi, and 10 over 3 pi. Then divide by 2 because we are asked to find theta. 1 third pi, 2 third pi, 4 over 3 pi, and 5 over 3 pi. Okay, got it? Thank you.